package here so you guys can see it a little bit better. Front strut race bar. Oh, that's pretty cool. So my thought is, hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not sure if I want to put it on the car like that in black, or if I want to paint it all yellow to match the calipers, and so we'll be doing that here soon. This is the next project for the ATS. It is a performance downpipe by ZZP Performance. They say it adds between 10 and 20 wheel horsepower. It's a pretty nice looking unit. What we're going to do here is I got some fiberglass heat wrap tape, some metal bands. I'm going to wrap this in this yellow tape and then take it over to a buddy's house that has a lift and get this installed. Pretty excited. You should be too. Alright, we're going to put the strut bar on today. I'm going to undo those 3 bolts and those 3 bolts on the shock tower, and then just rebolt it. So this kit comes with these bolts. I don't know what they're for. Maybe it's a universal in these little spacers. I am going to use the spacers because you can see this little lip. So I believe the spacer would go down and then the plate would fit right on top of it. So I just open this up. Drop them right on the bolts. Top of the strut tower. You want to give me a hand, Jaden?
Sure.
Come get this side. And set right on top of them bolts. Fit? Or do I need to adjust it?
You need to adjust it.
Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it fits. That's good. I assume it just has that little bit of play in it all the time. Thank you, sweetheart, for helping me with that.
You're welcome.
Huh. I don't know. Then I gotta get a wrench and go back and tighten this here up against the bar. I don't know if you can see that, but this little nut here will be tightened up against that bar. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'll make sure you get those tight. And they are tight. Grab me a cheater wrench. There you have it. Let's make sure the hood shuts. Thanks for watching. I want to give a shout out to my daughter tonight for helping me put that on. Her cat for not getting in my way, and my dog for being in my way. She did a good job. We painted her room today. She's just now learning about motorsports and stuff. Maybe I'll show you a little clip of her riding a four-wheeler. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.